In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Monzo card to Apple Wallet 2025. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is updated, you're signed in with your Apple ID, and you have a passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID set up, since Apple Pay requires device security. You'll also want a reliable internet connection and the latest version of the Monzo app installed. Start by opening the Monzo app on your iPhone. From your account view, look for your Monzo card details. You should see an option to add your card to Apple Wallet or a plus icon that begins the process. Tap that to continue. If the app routes you into Apple Wallet, that's expected. Apple Wallet handles the secure part of adding cards behind the scenes. When Apple Wallet appears, choose debit or credit card. This tells Wallet you want to add a bank card for contactless payments. Next, scan or enter your Monzo card. If you use the camera, align your card within the frame and Wallet will pick up the number automatically. If you prefer, you can type the card details in manually. Double check the expiry date and the security code for accuracy and make sure your name and billing address match what Monzo has on file. Small mismatches can delay verification. Now it's time for verification with Monzo. Apple Wallet will prompt you to verify the card, usually via a one-time code sent by text, a quick confirmation inside the Monzo app, or another secure method supported by your account. Choose the option you can access right away, enter the code if asked, and approve the request. This step confirms it's really you and protects your account. Once verified, complete setup. You may be shown the Apple Pay terms and conditions. Review and accept them to finish. If you use an Apple Watch, you can add the card to your watch here as well. You can also decide whether to make Monzo your default card for Apple Pay. You can change this anytime in wallet settings. You're ready to start using Monzo with Apple Pay. To pay in stores with Face ID, double press the side button, glance at your phone, and hold the top of the iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done. With Touch ID, rest your finger on the Home button and hold the phone near the reader. On Apple Watch, double press the side button and hold your watch to the reader. If you don't see the Add option or the card won't verify, update iOS and the Monzo app, confirm your billing address in Monzo, and try again. That's it. Your Monzo card is now in Apple Wallet.